Good day, mateys. It's time for another cringy video from Mr. Don. So here we are talking about Australia. It is one of my favorite places to talk about. And today we've looked at a few of the maps, made some conclusions, and now it's time to do a little bit of map work. So first assignment will be this map right here. Now you can see it barely down on the screen, but you should have a copy, and with that copy you will do your work. So Australia, we're going to be mapping the cities of Australia. Now you'll notice upon close examination that two of the cities on this map are not on this list on the screen. So here's the way it works today. You put all of these on the map. If you cannot locate all of these cities, then you will use the trusty atlas. Now, I'm inclined to help you today, so I'm going to give you page 96. Take a look at page 96, and you should be able to complete this without any problems. Now, this is the wrinkle. We all love a good wrinkle, don't we? So, today, if you complete these cities and add the two additional cities, Gold Coast and Canberra, then you will get a 70. However, if you wish to raise your score even higher, let me offer you this little challenge. Take a look at the screen. Add these to your map for a higher grade. Feeling a little bit lazy? Just want a 70? It's up to you. You choose your own degree of education today. However, for those of you who strive for higher heights, please make sure that you do each one of these, for they are 3 points apiece. 10 total times 3, you do the math, 30 points. So 70 plus 30 is 100. Get them all right, you get 100. That's all for today, mateys, and good luck.